Okay, let's move to problem B. B1, 2, and 3, you're asked to do 4 things. Find an approximate answer using estimation, write a number sentence and answer the question, compare your answer to your estimate to make sure your answer is reasonable, and then identify the meaning of each number and symbol in your number sentence. We're actually going to skip that one. We're not going to do that 4th bullet. I think even that 3rd bullet is kind of redundant. So we may just stick with finding an approximate answer and using estimation, and then writing a number sentence and answering the question. We're going to omit these last 2. So we're going to just do the first 2 for all of B, and then you're going to do C on your own. Okay, I wrote down the question already. Okay, I wrote down the question, and like I said, we're going to omit this one. Don't want to do that one. Okay, and I want to make sure that I find an estimate and write a number sentence and answer the question. So the first question is, Stewart and Bach combine their land. What fraction of a section do they now own together? So Stewart and Bach. Stewart and Bach are right here. Stewart owns 4 64ths. I'm going to write that down on the side. Equals 4 64ths. And Stewart 10 64th. And they want to know how much they would have combined. And that's actually 14 64ths. And there's your number sentence. 4 64ths plus 10 64ths equals 14 64ths. But of course you can simplify. I found my estimate. Write a number sentence and the answer. So here's my response to B1. Stewart and Bach combine their land and own 14 64ths or 7/32 acres. Here's the number sentence. 10 64ths plus 4 64ths equals 14 64ths or 7/32. I identified what every part of the number sentence is. That's Stewart, Bach, combination, which is addition, and the sum or equivalent sum. Okay, let's try one more. And I'm going to remember that I have to do 2 things. So I'm going to actually put my reminders at the bottom, right there. So Foley and Berg combine their land. What fraction of the section do they own? Foley and Berg. So Foley, Foley's right here. We haven't done that yet. And Berg, we haven't done that yet. So it's your turn to do B1. So you're going to do this one. So you're going to do that one because I didn't do this one with you. So you do this one on your own. And let's analyze the last question. Now we're not going to do these 2 parts. How much more land does Lapp own than Berg? So we have Lapp and Berg. We didn't do these either, so you're going to do these on your own. And that's it. That's all you're doing. You're doing B3 on your own, and you're doing B2 on your own, and you're going to do this in your digital interactive notebook. All right. Off you go.